2017 to be cancelled. HC issues notice to CBSE for violating Article 14. The Madras High Court has sought the CBSE's stand on a plea to cancel the May 7 National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET. There are reports that NEET 2017 exam might be cancelled. According to a report by PTI, the Madras High Court has sought the CBSE's stand on a plea to cancel the May 7 National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET, held for selection of candidates for undergraduate medical courses such as MBBS and BDS. A vacation bench of Justice R. Mahadevan has sought the CBSE's stand, issuing it notice on the plea by an aspiring medical student S. mother, who has contended that the examination breached the student's right to equality under Article 14 of the Constitution. Related story, NEET 2017, ongoing controversies keep students and parents on toes. Experts suggest various alternatives with CBSE to mitigate conflict. The vacation bench had issued the notice to CBSE, slating the matter for to hear again on May 24. The aspirant's mother stated in petition violative of the Article 14. She also mentioned in her petition that all the question papers in various language, including Hindi, English and Tamil, were not same and not of same difficulty level. The petitioner submitted that selection under NEET would not amount to testing equal skill. This year it had been alleged that the NEET exam was conducted in different languages, but it did not have the same questions, which has caused disparity and will prove to be a drawback for the medical aspirants. Also read, CBSE NEET 2017 answer key release date. What officials have to say about expected date and reasons for delay. As per the petition filed, the aspirants were not aware that different language paper will have different questions. She further sought a direction to reconduct NEET with same set of questions of all major languages in India. NEET 2017 was conducted on May 7, 2017 for admissions to MBBS and BDS courses. There have been reports that the NEET exam will be reconducted due to the ongoing controversies. For the exam, a total of 11 lakh candidates appeared for the exam in 104 cities.